Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you this really cool older grow lamp fixture. Now this one is fluorescent, of course there's also incandescent ones out there, but this uses a special fluorescent grow lamp, which is, maybe you've seen them, pink in color. This is a no-name fixture, not that I can remember anyway, maybe there's a manufacturer name on it. I got this a couple years ago during the summer at a Goodwill. And the sticker used to be here. I haven't really gotten around to putting some Goo Gone on that and getting rid of the stickiness. But the fixture is in pretty much new condition, and it has its original lamp. There's nothing really wrong with it, except the packaging was missing. But it's in fantastic condition, and it's really cool. So, I also like that it's the green, this really neat green color. Makes it really unique, of course, again showing off that it is for growing of plants. So let's go ahead and take a look around the fixture. Here we have our starting mechanism. Of course, this is a manual preheat, so you need to hold down the button until the ends of the lamp glow, and then you release it, and then the lamp starts up. Of course, then this side is off. We have where the Goodwill sticker was. We have some air vents here for the ballast, but as you can see, they're not cut out, so it's just a looks type thing. We have two spots here for mounting directly to the wall. We also have two more on the back. And, oh, there is something here, okay. L&L Manufacturing, Eden Prairie, Minnesota. Oh, I know where that is. Interesting. So, these fixtures are basically under cabinet light, without the diffuser, and they never really had one. But if you found the exact same model with a diffuser that was an under cabinet lamp, it would definitely fit on this fixture. We have the original bulb to the fixture as well. It's a nice Black Ender Westinghouse egg grow, which is what they called it. I believe the A was for aquarium, because these bulbs could also be used for that, and then grow for growing plants. Light, of course, because it's a lamp. Made in the USA. Nice old Black Ender. Really, really nice. I mean, there's not much use on it either, except for the little use that I've put on it. It's a nice, nice old fixture. I really like this thing. It's just so simple. And then, of course, we also have our cord here. This is before the polarized plugs were a thing. And let's go ahead and take the bulb out. Oh yes, I remember this now. This bulb has, as with other Black Enders, the cement comes apart on the end, thus allowing it to move around. And I think I tried to put some super glue on that, but I think it came off. Yeah. But not a big deal as long as you're careful and mindful of that on the older Black Enders. They still work just fine. We have our sockets here. See if we can... Let's see if I can read anything on any of them. Not really. Okay. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what kind of ballast we have in the inside. I've never done that, actually. I'm guessing the ballast is right here. They're all the same screws, these screws that are made for plastics. Let's see, yeah, that is screwed to something. So we'll go ahead and take these out as well. Oh, come on. As you can tell, it's never been opened before. You see little bits of plastic coming out. I'm gonna stop reaching around the tripod. So weird. Okay, so let's see what we have on the inside. Very simple. We have our nice piece of metal here. It's actually metal, it's not plastic, for the reflector. We have our sockets, which come on down to our ballast, which is on this metal piece. You can see it's for 14, 15, 18, 20, and 22 watt lamps. I'm going to try to read down in there. Yeah, of course it is. It's a Robertson transformer company. Here we can see how the cord is held in so you can't pull it out. We also have the manual preheat switch here as well. Super simple. Super simple, but really nicely manufactured. So, I'm going to go ahead and put that back in there. I think it was in there just like that. Yep, there we go, it fits. Then we have our cover, which goes back on top. And I'm just going to start these screws by hand, and I'll screw them in all the way later. But I just want to put them all back in their exact spots. Oh, come on. Anyway, now I got little pieces of plastic all over. So I got them just in there a little bit. Let's go ahead and try to put this bulb back in without twisting the end cap off. Good, good. So there, we got it in there. So let me go ahead and plug it in. Okay, hold on. There we go. It just barely reaches the outlet. So, I'm going to kind of put it at an angle there so it has a little bit more cord on that side, but let's go ahead and turn it on. So again, you hold down the one end until both ends glow, and then release. And it turns on. It has a really silent ballast, of course, because it's never really been used very much, except for what I've used it, which isn't very much. So let's go ahead and turn it off, and we'll manually preheat it again. Very nice. Now you can't just push down on that. Well, sometimes you can. Let's see if I can do it again real quick. Yeah, I guess you can do it kind of quick. I remember in some of the older ones you had to actually hold it until both ends glowed, and then let it go, but it's very nice. Let's light everything up a little bit. Very pink. Of course, it's a grow lamp, so it has that pink in it there. Very cool. Let's turn on our main light again. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video of this really cool older L&L, I believe is what it said on the back, grow light fluorescent fixture. Also, please comment, rate, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.